If you're looking to remove parental controls in Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get into your account settings, access parental controls, and turn off the purchase pin option safely and correctly. This is a quick and easy fix if you're trying to manage restrictions on your Epic Games account. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Once the page loads, log into the Epic account that has the parental controls enabled. After you're signed in, go to your account settings. You can usually find this from your profile menu or account dashboard depending on how you're signed in. Inside account settings, look for the parental control section. This is where Epic stores the restrictions and security options for the account. Click on parental controls to open the settings page. At this point, Epic will ask you to enter your parental control PIN. This PIN is required to make changes, so type it in carefully and make sure it's correct. Once the PIN is accepted, you'll be able to access the parental control options for the account. Now look for the setting that says always require a PIN for purchases. If this option is turned on, purchases will always need the PIN before they can go through. To remove that restriction, turn this setting off. After you disable it, the change should save automatically, and the account will no longer require the parental control PIN for every purchase. That's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've gone from the Epic Games website to the parental controls menu, entered the PIN, and turned off the purchase restriction. If you are having trouble with repeated PIN prompts, this should fix the issue right away. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.